Alright, so hi, how are you all? Alright, so this is the bomber jacket. I'm just going to walk through it right now. So it's completed, it's lined. So let me turn it inside out for you to see. Alright, so this is the back. This is the back right here, right? And the front, that's the lining. What left to be done is the button and buttonholes. I'll go through that shortly. All right, so let me turn it back around. I call this color God, Nature, Green. Right, so this is it. So the button and buttonholes. All right. All right, so these are the buttons, right? That's for one, and then I'm using the press now to do the buttons, but I'm going to put on the buttonholes shortly. So button go on the pocket, the sleeve cuff, and the front placket. All right, yeah, so that's it for now until I do the button and buttonhole operation, and then this will be completed. All right,